Well, hello, welcome. I will tell you how to make a mojito cocktail. Making mojito cocktails seems hard, but with this description, everybody can make a mojito whenever he or she wants. So before beginning with making mojito, you should collect together a muddler, a sturdy glass, a shaking tin for muddling and mixing the drink, a knife, white rum, soda water, syrup, fresh limes, and a mint and ice cups. So take one lime and put it on the cutting board. Hold with one hand the lime and take with the other hand the knife and cut the lime into quarters. Then pick 10 mint leaves off of the stem. So now put the 3 lime wedges and 10 mint leaves in the shaking tin. Hold the shaking tin and muddle with the muddler like this the ingredients until they are very well pulverized. Next, add 6 to 10 ice cups into the shaking tin to fill it and fill with 2 tablespoons of syrup. So fill the tin with 2 ounces of white rum. With the ice cups, the tin should be around 3 to 4 of the 3/4 of the way full, so like 3/4. After that, put the lid on the shaking tin and stir the mixture until fully blended. Transfer the shaken cocktail to the sturdy glass and fill the remainder of the glass with soda water. To finish it, garnish the cocktail with the lasting lime wedges and minced brick. So as you can see, making a mojito cocktail is fun to do and isn't so hard as it seems. So now sit back, relax, and enjoy your homemade mojito cocktail. Have a nice day. Bye bye.